I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and input. Make sure the TV and remote respond. Once done, note that Safe Mode only loads system apps and blocks third-party software. That's why apps disappear. You should also prepare your TV model and Android version so you can follow exact menu names. Now power cycle the box. Hold the remote power button for 10 seconds or unplug the TV for 30 seconds and plug it back in. This resets temporary glitches before deeper steps. You should now focus on using controls to exit Safe Mode. Press and hold the remote power button. If a restart option appears, choose it. That often clears Safe Mode. If the remote is unresponsive, use the TV's physical power button or a connected controller to power cycle the device. These act as substitutes. Make sure to check settings after reboot. Go to Device Preferences, then About to see if any pending updates or app permissions are blocking normal startup. Keep trying a restart if necessary. You finish by tackling stubborn causes. Uninstall any recently added apps that might force Safe Mode. Go to Settings, Apps, select the app, then uninstall and restart. If that fails, Factory Reset is a last resort. This clears configurations, but returns the TV to stock. Back up any settings first. Make sure to power cycle external devices like soundbars or HDMI switches, then boot the TV with only essential peripherals attached. If Safe Mode still appears,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.